Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the device OS and the exact administrator app you'll remove. This matters because different flows apply. Once done, back up your data and ensure you know account credentials linked to device management. You'll enable developer options and, if necessary, USB debugging to allow advanced tools to run. Next, check for a work profile or device owner status in settings, because that determines whether simple uninstall works or deeper removal steps are required. You'll open Settings and go straight to Security or Device Administrators to find the app. Deselect it to revoke privileges, and then uninstall or disable the app like any other. If the app is a device owner or part of an MDM, you must use the MDM console to unenroll or run an ADB command to clear the device owner for ADB use. A DB shell DPM remove active admin component. Make sure to read on-screen prompts and keep the device connected until the tool confirms completion. Once you've removed admin privileges and uninstalled the app, reboot and verify the administrator no longer appears in settings. Then check for residual profiles or work accounts and delete them. If the device owner status persists and removal fails, consider a factory reset as last resort after backing up everything. If problems occur, collect logs, try re-enrolling then properly unenrolling, or contact the original admin or MDM provider for a removal token. This often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.